Hey, and welcome back to AutoHelpExperts. Today I've got a great video for you, the top 10 tips for negotiating as a car salesman. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ramon Jack. I have more than 8 years professional sales experience. I've consistently been the top salesman, generating millions in gross sales every month, becoming the face of the company, and I have featured in multiple advertisements and radio interviews. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you master the art of negotiation and close more deals. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, preparation is key. Before you even meet the customer, you must do your homework on what vehicle the customer is coming to view. Know the car's pricing, features, and any current promotions. Knowledge is your greatest weapon in negotiation. Knowledge not only enhances your confidence and credibility, but also equips you with the tools to effectively address customer needs and concerns during negotiation. It positions you as a trusted advisor and increases your chances of achieving a win-win outcome. Tip number 2, build trust and rapport. Start with a warm greeting, a genuine smile, and a firm handshake. Make the customer feel comfortable and valued. Trust is the foundation of success in negotiation. It creates an environment where parties can communicate openly, work together, and find a mutually beneficial solution. Without trust, negotiations can become contentious and unproductive, making it difficult to achieve the desired outcomes. Trust is an essential element for fostering positive and lasting negotiation experiences. Tip number 3, listen more, talk less. The more you listen, the more you learn. Ask open-ended questions, then listen actively to understand the customer's needs and concerns. This helps tailor your pitch. Tailoring your pitch is a strategic approach that not only improves your chances of closing a sale, but also enhances the overall customer experience. It demonstrates your customer-centric approach and positions you as a problem solver, ultimately contributing to your success in sales and negotiation. Tip number 4, know your customer. Get to know their preferences, needs, and budget. The better you understand them, the better you can recommend the perfect car and negotiation strategy. Knowing your customers' pain points or challenges also allows you to address them directly in your negotiation. This demonstrates empathy and positions you as someone who understands and cares about their concerns. People are often driven by emotions in their buying decisions. Understanding the emotional triggers of your customer can help you craft persuasive arguments and appeals. In a diverse customer base, understanding cultural nuances is vital. Cultural differences can influence negotiation dynamics and expectations. Tip number 5, highlight value, not just price. Emphasize the car's unique features and benefits. Show how it enhances their life. When they see the value, they're more open to the price. Emphasize how the car is not just a means of transportation, but a tool to make their daily experiences more enjoyable, convenient, and safe. Encourage the customer to visualize how these features would fit into their life. Ask questions like, can you imagine how convenient it would be to have a built-in navigation system in your daily commute? This helps them see the practical benefits. If the customer has pain points or challenges in their current vehicle, show how the unique features of the car you're selling can address those issues. This can be especially persuasive. Share stories of how these features have made a difference in the lives of other customers. For instance, if the car has a hands-free liftgate, you could tell a story of a busy parent who found it incredibly convenient when loading groceries while holding their child at the same time. Tip number 6, be patient and don't rush. Negotiation takes time. Avoid pushing a customer into a decision. Give them space to think and discuss. Patience can lead to a better deal. Rushing can lead to mistrust and skepticism. When you patiently engage in conversations, you build a genuine relationship. Customers are more likely to trust your recommendations and advice. Patient, attentive service can lead to satisfied customers who are more likely to refer friends and family to you. Building a reputation for patience and professionalism can attract more customers over time. Tip number 7, offer solutions, not just options. Instead of being overwhelmed with choices, guide them towards a tailored solution. Make it clear how the car fits their needs perfectly. Too many choices can lead to decision paralysis. When customers are presented with an extensive range of choices without guidance, they may struggle to make a decision. This can lead to frustration and a longer sales process. When customers feel that their needs are not being understood or that the salesperson is not helping them find a suitable solution, they may leave without making a purchase. This frustration can lead to a negative perception of the dealership and its salespeople. Tip number 8, use silence to your advantage. After presenting an offer, stay silent. Let the customer think and respond. Often they'll reveal their thoughts or make a counteroffer. Silence can lead to the revelation of valuable information. The other party might disclose their true feelings or priorities during this period of reflection. This information can be useful for adjusting your strategy or offer. Silence can also create a degree of tension in the negotiation, which can be used strategically. Tension can motivate the other party to take action or make a decision potentially in your favor. By staying silent, you maintain control of the negotiation tempo. You dictate when the conversation resumes, giving you the opportunity to set the tone and direction of the discussion. Tip number 9, be ready to walk away. Sometimes the best negotiation tactic is knowing when to walk. If the terms don't align, be prepared to graciously end the conversation. The mere possibility of one party walking away can affect the psychology of the negotiation. It can create a sense of urgency for the other party to reach an agreement or reconsider their position. It should not be a bluff. A well-timed and considered decision to walk away can enhance your negotiation position, but it should also leave the door open for future discussions if circumstances change or if both parties decide to revisit the negotiation. Additionally, maintaining professionalism and respect throughout the process, even when walking away, is essential to preserve relationships and reputations. And tip number 10, close with confidence. When the time is right, present the terms and ask for the sale. Use assumptive language like, when would you like to take delivery? When you own this car? Or once you start enjoying these benefits. Assumptive language shifts the customer's mindset from considering whether to buy to imagining themselves as the owner. It helps them visualize the positive outcomes of the purchase. To wrap it up, these top 10 tips for negotiating as a car salesman can make you a negotiation pro. Preparation, trust, listening, and patience are your allies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more expert tips. Thank you for watching.